My name is Mary Curtin and I'm the Group Accommodation Services Manager for Redefine BDL Hotels. Redefine BDL is a management company and we work for owners and we manage hotels under various brands: Hilton, Accor, Marriott, Aloft. I have been working with Procure Wizard for just over a year, working on designing a laundry control management system. And we work with various linen suppliers, and we needed to put some system in place that gave me central control and also made lives a lot easier for the housekeepers. The benefits it's added for the housekeepers is it's in live time. They're working very closely with the laundress companies. For the hotel finance team, it streamlines our invoicing. The key benefits for using Procure Wizard within the hotels is it saves time and it's accurate. Historically, linen was managed by the systems the linen companies put into the hotels, so we were pretty much dancing to their tune. Now we have the control, and we have one system that works from all our hotels and makes our life a lot easier. The Procure Wizard system totally revolutionised how we manage linen. Procure Wizard makes my job easier because I can go into the system at any point, at any time, anywhere. Now I can see it every day, monitor it every day, monitor stock takes every day. I would totally recommend the Procure Wizard laundry module to any housekeepers that want to have a complete control of their laundry, complete access to their laundry and total visibility of how it's managed on a day-to-day basis, and for tracking costs.